like us here at Pat Murphy Electric, you care about protecting your home and everything that goes along with it. We buy home insurance, I have a sump pump in my basement, and I'm sure that most of us use exterminators to help shield pests away from our home. But what about protection from power surges? Now you might be thinking, wait, what is a power surge? Well, a power surge occurs when the flow of electricity is disrupted and then starts again. Or when something, be it a device or an appliance, sends unwarranted electricity streaming back into your system. You see, air conditioners and refrigerators, they require a lot of energy to turn on, so they can create a temporary, high demand of power that disrupts that even flow of electricity. People commonly, myself included, associate lightning with a surge, though it's actually one of the least common causes. In fact, almost 80% of power surges occur internally inside of your home. A shocking statistic, I know. And these power surges can be happening so frequently, it can be up to dozens of times a day without you even noticing it. Now you might be thinking, wait, how could I not notice it? Well, small surges won't necessarily leave any visible evidence. They won't melt your electronics, and they probably won't even trip your circuit breaker. But here's the harm. Continual low-level power surges can cause electronic rust, ruining the integrity of your circuitry until ultimately it fails. So what can you do about these surges beyond your control? This is why we have surge protection devices. Our technicians install them all the time. They go right above your panel, and it's a very cost-effective form of insurance to help keep your appliances safe, especially your HVAC, which we know is costly. If you want to learn more about surge protection, that's why we're here. Pat Murphy Electric has been in business for over 38 years because we care about protecting our customers and the items they care about. So call us to get a panel inspection and see if surge protection is right for you.